Hi, my name is John Klymshyn. I'm the author of a book called The Ultimate Sales Manager's Guide. And the reason that this video is being sent out to you and shared with you is because I will be conducting two sessions on Tuesday, March 25th during the Channel Partners event in Las Vegas. One in the morning on Tuesday, the 25th at 10:30, the other in the afternoon starting at 1:55. In the morning session in Casanova Room 601, we will talk about what it means to manage your current team. How do you find some healthy harmony between inspiration and motivation? We're going to talk about practical techniques. Second, in the afternoon, we will continue the conversation. So, of course, we invite everyone from the morning session to join us in the afternoon. In the afternoon, we'll be focusing on building your future sales team. Here's what it boils down to. If you have people that report to you who carry a number, there is a component of your role that is sales management. We will talk about something that I call the sales management triangle. 3 key points that point to, and virtually guarantee success for you as a sales manager. It is the great invisible profession. We rarely see training on how to manage salespeople, and we will have a realistic conversation about how to do it and do it exceptionally well. I am thrilled. I'm honored to speak at Channel Partners this year. Be sure that you put it on your calendar. Join us Tuesday, March 25th, first at 10 a.m., second at 1:55, Casanova Room 601. Looking forward to it.